Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, it is time to wash my hair. My hair has been straightened for a little over a month and it's really time to wash it. So what I'm going to do is a bit of a battle between the Pre-Poos. So one of the Pre-Poos I have used many times before and I really do like it. And the other Pre-Poo that I'm going to use is a newer one. And this has been out for maybe a few months or so, but I am really interested in seeing how this works. There was some mixed reviews on the new Pre-Poo, so I just kind of want to try it out for myself. And I thought it would be a good idea to just battle the two Pre-Poos to see if I enjoyed the newer one better than the one that I've been using. So one of the Pre-Poos that I'm going to be using is the one by Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Solve, and this is what that looks like here. And this is the one that I have used numerous times and I really do like it. And the new Pre-Poo that I'm going to try is the one by Pattern. It is their Bounce Back Pre-Poo, and this is what that looks like. And like I said, this one right here has had mixed reviews, so I just want to try it for myself and just see how it works. And what I'm also curious about between the two is like which one is going to make my hair revert faster, or is it about the same, or just kind of see what my thoughts are of both of them. So I am just going to go ahead and take this little ponytail holder out and just kind of split it down the middle. But before I do that, I mean, y'all can kind of see that my hair has held up pretty well, but I do see that some parts of it are like starting to frizz up. So anywho, like I said, I am just basically first just kind of brush it out a little bit and get all the tangles out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of clip this away. And we are going to just start on this side here with the Bond Curl Rehab Solve by Curlsmith. And I do have a video on Curlsmith's strength line if you want to check that out after this one. So let's just go ahead, clip that away, and we are going to see how this Bond Solve works. Well, I already kind of know how it's going to work, but we're just going to see how this solve works compared to the Pattern's Bounce Back Pre-Poo. Alright, so let's just go in with this much. This is how it looks. This is the consistency. Just going to rub it in and apply it. As we can see, like as I'm applying it to this section, my hair seems to be pretty straight still. Still straight. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. That's how it looks. Now I do kind of see in the back here, there's a curl. There's a curl right there. So it's starting to look wavy. All right, so let's go ahead and start on this section. We can see it's reverting. It's starting, y'all. All right, so now that much. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to keep this video in real time just so we can see how long. There it is, y'all. It's starting to curl up even more. All right, that's going on pretty quickly. Ooh, look at it. Ooh, look at it. Woohoo! All right, let's get some more. As you can see, like this Curlsmith Rehab Solve is like creamy and thick. And I kind of knew, y'all, that this part right here was gonna revert faster than my other strands, because this is like where I sweat the most, like especially when I go to the gym. So this is Curlsmith side, and as you can see, like my curls are reverting here. Still waiting on the ends. Still waiting on the ends. They're trying. They're trying. Ooh, look at this one, y'all. Look at the front. Okay. All right. So now we are going to take this side down, and we are going to see what Pattern is talking about. So here we go with this side. So now I'm just going to wipe my hands off, make sure I get all the Curlsmith off of my hands so I can go in with the Pattern, the bounce back. Okay, so let's just go ahead and split this in half. And I do also want to add that, y'all, I have a whole lot of pattern videos. I will have that playlist link for you so you can check it out. So this is the newest product. So I haven't tried it before, so we are definitely about to try it. Let me see if there's a label, or a seal rather. And it is. Let's just go ahead and take it off. And I will also say that on the reviews that I have seen, they do state that the consistency for this one is much more watery. So this is a little packaging that it has, a little flip top. So let's see how it looks in my hand. I mean, it is watery, but it kind of looks like the same consistency as Curlsmith, but not as thick. So let's look at that, and it did run down my hand faster. and it is like a thin consistency, but it does look a little glazy. And it smells like all of their other products, like that. I think it's the patchouli scent. So let's just go ahead and add that. And as I am adding it, it doesn't feel as smooth as the Curlsmith Solve. It feels thin, like a very thin consistency, like watery versus like slippery, creamy consistency. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. All right. And I will also say that it doesn't really seem like it's that moisturizing either. All right, let's go in with some more. Okay, starting to wave up a little bit. We got some curls coming. We do. Okay, so this is what we're working with, y'all. It's still more wavy than curly. And honestly, I think the Curlsmith side kind of reverted a little bit faster. All right, so let's go ahead and do this section. Yeah, so I know it's been like a month since I washed my hair, but it's like when I add the pattern Pre-Poo onto this section here, like it doesn't feel like it's absorbing into my strands like the Solve did. Alright, so we have this second application, and y'all, yeah, it is not absorbing into my hair like I would like it to. Alright, it's starting to, we got some curls here. Got some curls, ends are still trying to get back up. Okay, we're starting. It's starting to revert, it's starting. This part right here is still trying to revert. Let's go ahead and put some more. So this is a third application on this section. All right, so this is what we are looking like, y'all. Both sides are curly, both sides have reverted. The ends are still trying to revert as well, but they're slowly coming. So y'all, I think it is a clear winner. I think that the Bond Curl Rehab Solve is a better Pre-Poo. I mean, these products are both pretty pricey. I know this Bounce Back Pre-Poo is $25, and I believe this one is right around the same. I'll verify the price for you. But this is 8 fluid ounces and this is 10 fluid ounces. I like the consistency better on this. I feel like the formula is more concentrated than this Pre-Poo, and with that being said, like a little goes a long way. So I feel like this would be like the better buy if you wanted to choose like between the two higher end products. I feel like this one would be the better buy. I mean, my hair as you can see, is more shiny on this side, and my curls reverted faster, and like I said, I didn't have to use much at all. Now this bounce back pre-poo, I mean, I felt that, you know, it did revert my curls really nicely. Not as fast as this side, but it did revert my curls pretty good. It is a more watery consistency, and I feel like you do have to use more of the product to actually get your curls to revert. See, there we go. So those ends are starting to revert now. So for those factors alone, I feel like this is the clear winner of this pre-poo battle. So that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts on these two products, and like if you've used both, like which one do you like better. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.